Good morning, students. Today we are going to do 5th chapter of your value education book. The name of the chapter is Making Decisions, page number 37. So I am going to tell you today one story, students, that is making decisions at the right time matters. Do you know the meaning of this line, students? So have you ever taken any decision in your life, and whether those decisions were at the right time, or you have made the decision when it is too late? Actually, it matters, students, that what is the time when you are taking decisions, whether you are taking at the same time when the problem is occurring, or you are taking decision very late when it is too late and you are just repenting that I could do it before. So I am going to tell you a story. So students, the story is of a kid who is going to the candy shop. Okay, so let me start the story. One day a kid was going to the candy shop with his dad, and there was an offer on the shop. Now the kid went to the counter, and when he was near the counter, he was looking at the candies, and he was thinking, what should I choose? What should I choose? What should I choose? I should choose this or I should choose that. He was asking many questions like this. Do you do the same? Do you go to any shop, toy shop or candy shop, and do you think what should I take, this one or that one, right? Always confused because you like both, but Papa said or Mama said that you can only take one. So what you do? You started thinking and you looked puzzled. The same the boy was thinking. What should I choose? What should I take? Which one I should take? Now father said, come on son, we don't have all day. You will have to choose it as fast as possible. These are my favorites. No, wait, these are my favorites. Child was speaking like this and asking his father to wait. He walked along the edges, picking up bags and putting them back. He could not make up his mind. Quick, son, again father said. We have to go. Now father was impatient and he was shouting, come on, do it fast. Frantically, the boy ran around the store, his eyes moving from one shelf to another. One time he was watching these candies, another time he was watching another candies. All of the options looked so good for that boy, and he was not able to decide which one I should pick. Eventually, the dad had enough. He grabbed his son by hand in an anger. They walked out of the store empty-handed. The young boy had tears in his eyes. Why? Because he wanted to take, but father could not wait, as he was taking lots of time, and father did not want to wait whole day over there just for choosing the candies. He wanted the son to take or choose candy as soon as possible, which could not happen. That's why father, with an anger, he took the boy with him. Now boy was crying. He wanted them all, but ended up with nothing because he could not choose just one, as the father asked. Now students, what did you understand by the story? Have you seen that it can be happen with anyone? If you are not going to choose the things on time, you may lose the thing, or you may not even get even a single thing out of that store or any shop or anything. The same happened with us. We are behind many things. Like sometimes you people speak like this, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, I want to be this, I want to be that. But what happens when you are coming to the age of 12th? You are still not able to decide because of your many options which is running in your mind. The same when you go to the toy shop, sometimes mother or father gets irritated. Come on, leave it. You are taking lots of time. It happens with you all, na? The same happened with that boy. So understood, students? We have a lot of option available over there for us in market, in our life, in many things. But we do not make right decision at the right time in our lives. And sometimes because of that reason, not choosing the right thing on the right time, we comes back empty handed. The same boy did. Sometimes we worry about making the wrong choice. What if we regret the decision that we take it and it is too late to go back? The bigger danger is that we make no decision besides making any decision, students. So always take decisions. I know you will always feel afraid that if I will do this, it would be correct or not, whether it will be right or not. The same have you observed whenever there are functions in a school, right? And teachers send someone to announce in class that there are going to be so many things like dance, singing, and you may participate. Some children are there who immediately stand up and say, yes, I will take the part. But some are there who push each other. Come on, you take. Then you say, no, you take. No, you take. So like this, they are pushing and they are not getting the courage to participate. But when they get the courage and they reach the teacher, what happens at last? The teacher says, now the seats are over and you cannot participate. That time you feel that I could do it and why did not I do? And then you feel bad, right, students? So always remember, take the decision at the right time, because it may be too late for taking any decision of your life. So have a great time. Take care. Bye-bye. I'll come up with the next story, students, and I'll tell you one more story next time. Have a great day.